HIG Modular is a leading professional one-stop solution provider and manufacturer of modular housing and prefab buildings with more than 20 years of experience. HIG Modular has exported high-quality modular housing and prefab buildings to over 120 countries and regions, having successfully delivered more than 2,000 projects. We operate 3 major production bases with over 100,000 square meters of factory facilities, delivering an annual output of more than 600,000 square meters of construction area. This capacity enables us to meet diverse standards and client requirements across multiple projects. HIG is certified to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, CE, CNAS, BV, and other international standards. All products are subject to full quality control and traceability throughout the manufacturing process. We provide a complete one-stop solution, from design and manufacturing to on-site installation and after-sales service. Our dedicated team includes R&D experts, architectural designers, engineers, production managers, and project managers, ensuring that every project is executed with precision, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Our diverse product range includes detachable, flat-packed, foldable, expandable container houses, capsule houses, apple pods, steel structure buildings, and more, all within the field of modular housing and prefab buildings. Shipping from China to the world, HIG Modular is not just building structures. We are building trust, delivering value, and shaping the future of living spaces. Building faster, greener, and smarter is our mission and constant pursuit.